Welcome back everybody to this week's video. So today we're going to be turning a deep end grain bowl from a piece of wood that Mother Nature wasn't very nice to. I will insert a picture right about here so you can see what I mean. She got a bit of a slap, you could say, this tree. So yeah, we're going to be a bit nice to this tree and turn it into something that somebody might want to keep. So right now we are using a full size rougher and we're making a tenon, and now we've switched to the full size finisher, and all tools are from Easy Wood Tools, and they are linked down in the description if anyone would like to use any. This is the mid-size detailer and it matches the angles of the drawers in the chuck. And we're gone to the mid-size finisher now, and we're doing a bit more shaping. Here's the mid-size rougher. That was a bit wonky at the headstock side, so we're just going to take that down. And we're going to create a bit of a big bead at the top there. So we've taken it down a little bit. And now we're going to swap out for the #1 hollower. This is by far my favourite tool. And there you go. Alright, so I've already done most of the sanding, so now we're just going to sand to 400 grit here from Klingspor Abrasives. And there you go. There's some methylated spirits or denatured alcohol just to clean the grain. It's a beautiful bit of wood. Here's some matte sanding sealer. And some Yorkshire Grit abrasive paste. You wipe this all over till you have a clean paper towel, and you have the equivalent of around about 1000 grit. Here we go, last few wipes here. And there you go. And some Hampshire Sheen finishing wax. So you're going to wipe this all over, get some nice even coverage. You turn your lathe out slow just to make sure you do get even coverage. And then you turn your lathe up to about 1000 to 1200 and buff it in. Build up that heat, but be careful not to push too hard. You don't want to wipe off any wax that you just put on. And there you go. Lovely, lovely. Alright, so now we're just going to mark out with a pencil where the edge of the bowl is. And first things first, we're going to get that #1 hollower and get rid of that big old chunk that's hanging off the end. And now we can start hollowing. There we go. Doing a bit of zoomies here. This #1 cutter did go through this like a hot knife through butter, you could say. And here is the full size finisher, just to take out any lumps and bumps. And now we're going to clean up that rim with the full size finisher. And there you go. Let's move the tool rest. Okay, once again, already done most of the sanding, so back to 400 grit. There you go, bit of compressed there. Some methylated spirits or denatured alcohol just to clean the grain. Some sanding sealer. Some Yorkshire Grit abrasive paste. Once again, same as before, wipe this all over till you have a clean paper towel and you have the equivalent of around about 1,000 grit. And some Hampshire Sheen finishing wax. Also, same as before, wipe this all over, get nice even coverage, turn the lathe up to about 1,000 to 1,200 and buff it in, build up that heat, but don't push too hard, you want to wipe off any wax that you just put on. So yeah, I actually saw at the start, Mother Nature wasn't very nice, but hopefully we can all agree that I gave it a new lease of life. So with that being said, here are some pictures. I'd like to thank everybody for watching this video. Please don't forget, hit that thumbs up, click the subscribe button, share your friends, share your family, share your enemies if you like. And if you want to see any more of my videos, click them links on the right hand side. And until next week, I'll see you then. Bye bye for now.